Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, there's going to be swearing. So look, you've been warned. Look, here I come in 3, 2, look, 1. Bang! Welcome everyone, black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke, and I will be your host for the remainder of the evening. Yes, we have a great one for you today. Hello, everybody. Yes, oh, baby. Yes, having a great day. All right, I hope you're having a great day, happy people. We have a great show for you today. We're going to talk about Grayscale. Now, look, anyway, whatever. We're going to talk about this. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the first registered SEC reporting corporation. So we'll talk about that. Now, not yet. Bitcoin retail fund approved in Australia. Here come the funds. In Australia. They're starting with this fun stuff, right? I haven't heard anything about ETFs or swaps or options in Australia. But I've been hearing about these funds, right? We read about a couple. Remember the retirement fund? Anyway, I think they even mentioned that. So let's get there when we get there. All right. And then bang, Uzbekistan. Ollie, that's Cardano country. Remember we talked about Cardano enters the partnership with Uzbekistan? Well, looks like Uzbekistan is giving crypto tax exemptions and a licensed cryptocurrency exchange. So let's talk about that. So Cardano lovers, that applies to you as well, I'm sure, in some form or fashion. So let's begin how we begin, brothers. Bang! Yes. As you can see, it's cold. It's fucking freezing, man. So I had to put on the old Hugo Boss fucking sweatshirt here. Dag on, it's cold. And I turned on the heat, but it takes an hour for the house to warm up, so I had to put on the shirt. I just woke up. Yes, we got some training to do today. The Japanese, yes, we thrashed it last night. Yen made us money, so we got to see what's going on tonight, so we got to be awake. Can't fuck around, so I had to wake up early and should be really a participant tonight. So look though. Crypto, Bitcoin, 8,000. Oh, did we do a refresh? Did we? Hold on. Right. All right. Bitcoin is at $8,679. Wow. When I left you last night, it was $8,651. So we went up a whole $28. Woo! We're rich. We are rich. Moving on up. All right. Top 10 today, brothers. Hold on. Let me get my beverages in order. Look. Let me get set up. Weren't you supposed to get set up to be set up so that you're ready? Look. Settle down, brother. Look. Top 10 today, brother. Sisters. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Tether, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, and Stellar holding or took over the number 10. Anyway, I can't remember, but took over the number 10. Let's say took over, so it's an exciting night. Look, all right. Mark moves the day, brothers. So it's exciting. Stellar taking number 10. Yay. Look, Mark moves the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Oops, hold on a second. Single digits up, single digits down. Only not much movement at all. A lot of 0 point this, 0 point that. Super tight range, right? Single digits up, single digits down. Algorand had good news today. What, someone's building something on their thing or something? Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, let's look who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Buy. Top 10 loser of the day. MCO, Molecular Future, Horizon, Digix DAO, Decred, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, Centrality, ABC Coin, and Steam. Let's see who made money today. Oh, there were some earnings. Komodo. All right, top 10 gainers of the day. Komodo, Golem, Quant, Nervous Network, MadeSafe Coin, Bytecoin, Synthetics Network, Ethereum Classic, Eternity, and Almost Go. Let's see what the total market cap is of the day, brothers and sisters. Look. Let's check it out. What do we got? 240.3 in total market cap. All right, so shit didn't move. When I left you yesterday, today we're at $240.3 billion. When I left you yesterday, we're at 239 even. So we've gone up $1.3 billion in market cap. And let's look at total volume today. Shit, we went all the way down. Yeesh. All right, 91.6. That explains a lot. All right. 91.6. So, $91.6 billion in 24-hour volume today. When I left you yesterday, we were at 107. So we have gone down $16.3 billion in one day. And that explains. But what's interesting about that is the volume is way down, but yes, the market. Whoa. My trading platform just went off. I got to remember to turn that off when I'm talking to you guys. That's fucked up. That blew my brain out. Anyways, so we went down $16.3 billion. So what that tells me is, yeah, less people came, but no one was selling, though. You know what I mean? Whoever came yesterday, the people who came in the past few days, actually, it's been, there's my... Can you guys see this? I wonder. Hold on. All right. It's going to show you my trading platform. The yen last night. We murdered it. But anyway, so what that tells me is not as many people were here, but those people that came a few days ago, yeah, well, they hodled. They didn't come and then buy and then make a quick buck and sell. They are still here hodling it. All right, so look, let's move on. Grayscale, buy. Grayscale Investments Bitcoin Trust becomes the first registered SEC reporting company. Now, I'm not sure why this is such a big deal because it's not such a big trust, but I think what they're saying is that since it's a reporting company, they can now be listed on, like, say, the NASDAQ, or they could be IPO'd. Maybe is that the better way to say it? Not is it? That's the better way to say it. They can be IPO'd and listed on the NASDAQ or like the New York Stock Exchange, traditional stock exchanges, right? Because everyone has to report to the SEC. So I don't know why they're calling it a reporting company, whereas everyone has to report. But these guys have to do quarterly reports and everything now, which are more like regular companies like Microsoft and Boeing and, those guys. They have to do quarterly reports. You have to, and stuff like that. And so I think that's what they're saying. I think they're saying that they're up in that league, even though not IPO'd yet or something. All right. That's just my opinion, guys. I don't know if that's the facts, okay? So that what I just said are not facts. Those are just my speculation because so the reason I brought it up is because every single website I went to was like Grayscale, bang, 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 first reporting company. Like, what's with this reporting crap? What's with the reporting crap? I don't understand what you guys are at. So that's what I think it's about. If you actually do know what it's about, well, please put it in the comments and teach me something. I actually looked it up. I looked up SEC reporting company in Investopedia. It didn't say anything. It said what I just said, which I knew. Every company has to report. So I'm not sure why the cryptoverse says it, unless they're saying it that, well, this is the first crypto thing that is now reporting, so it sort of legitimizes the space. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because every fucking company has to report to the SEC. I mean, that's not a thing. So anyway, whatever, guys. Look, Grayscale Investment Bitcoin Trust. Hold on. is now registered as an SEC reporting firm. All right. In May 2015, the trust was the first publicly traded Bitcoin investment channel in the over-the-counter market, so OTC market. In November 2019, Grayscale filed, I think is what it's supposed to say, filed with SEC a form. Holy crap! These crypto sites are so stupid. They filled out a Form S10, SEC Form 10, that allows it to make the trust available to investors having restrictions with non-regulated channels. I'm not sure what that is. Its Form 10 became effective automatically 60 days from its filing date. Right? Like, I mean, they're saying there's something about, it allows them to make the trust available to investors having restrictions with non-regulated channels. So, as you guys know, here in America, if you're a hedge fund or a hedge fund, anyway, just sort of an institutional investor, you're not allowed to trade in non-regulated things, and that's why I've been telling you guys, right? Like, the reason our VeChain isn't going up is, because they're not allowed to buy that yet. Of course they'd buy that. They're going to come get it as soon as they can, but they're not allowed to get it yet. And so, right, but this says with non-regulated restrictions with non-regulated channels. Channels. Is that investment vehicles or is that the asset itself? See, that's what I don't like about these crypto sites. Like, they don't explain things to you. Like, if this were a Wall Street Journal story, it would tell you everything, right? All right, but so that's what I'm speculating is that it's either a non-regulated investment vehicle. So, in other words, but they have their own vehicle because they're building the trust. So I don't know what that means. Or non-regulated channels. I don't understand. It's fucked up shit. It's some fucked up shit right there. But look, it is some shit. Everyone's talking about it. So look, let me get a sip. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the first SEC reporting crypto investment vehicle, right? So it is a vehicle. So it's not a channel. It's the vehicle, but unregistered vehicle. But it is registered because they're reporting now. So I don't understand why they're saying non-regulated channels. What's the channels? What is that? Yes, as you can see, this is how I read news. I dig in. I want to know everything. Look, which you should. That's what makes you a successful investor. All right, look. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the first SEC reporting crypto investment vehicle. So it is a vehicle in itself. It's strange. The shares of the trust, registered under the Exchange Act of 1934, means the GBTC is the first SEC reporting crypto investment vehicle. Okay. This means it now has to send quarterly and annual reports to the SEC, also to publish any unscheduled events or changes within the corporation. And all right. They got to do the usual shit. You got to report to the SEC. Fucking, let me read all that crap. The fund was given private placement exemption from the SEC in 2013. So this is back in 2013. They were allowed to offer this other fund, blah, blah, blah. That's 2013. It's 2020 now. Who gives a shit? And it was a success, though, back last year. So over the last year, GBTC has been very successful, having more than $470 million private placement total inflow. I'm sure that's what that should say, which is twice more than in 2018. Sun and Shine has explained before that it doesn't want GBTC to become an ETF. So they don't want to be an ETF, even if its products are similar in structure with ETFs and are modeled after the most popular investment ones. All right, well, anyway, man, so this is the first crypto reporting thing, investment vehicle, trust. They don't want to be an ETF. They want to stay a trust. Everyone's freaking out about I'm not going to bullshit you guys. I'm not really sure why this is such a big deal. Like, I don't know. Like, every company has to give quarterly reports to the SEC and shit like that. So if you're under SEC jurisdiction, so I don't know why this is such a big deal, unless what the crypto world is so happy about is that, yay, we finally have someone that's so important they actually have to report to the SEC. Is, I guess, what the fuck this is about. Man, guys, look, this was all over the internet today, and so this is a news channel, so I reported that news, and let's get the fuck on with our money. Fuck this shit. Bang! Let's go over here. All right, this is more of the shit I know about. All right, proper shit, normal stuff. Jeez, like I said, I bet you if the New York, the Wall Street Journal reported that story, I'd understand and be able to explain exactly what the hell that means. Or why they're so happy. It's the first reporting trust. So what? Like, I don't know what you're talking about there. All right, brothers. Look, though. 300 plus raised customers may invest 5% in Bitcoin as ASIC approves new retail fund. Oh, yes. So this is the Australian. ASIC is Australia's SEC. And they gave these guys, they said they can put Bitcoin in a fund. Now, why is that important? What I tell you, what's your market made of? Here's your market. All this shit right here. The daily up and down, up 100, down 100, up 10, down 10. That's a tiny bit, a slice of your market. The real market, your stock exchange or whatever, are funds. Funds. You right now, you have a 401k, right? Yeah, that's you right there. Yeah, right there, that's you. I see you. I can see you right now. That's you. You're forced to invest in your local national stock exchange. Yes. It's fucked up, right? Well, it's not fucked up. I mean, you make money if it works, if it's going good. If you're in a shit country, yeesh, that sucks. But for us over here, especially your 401ks, if you're here in America right now, your 401ks must be looking nice. But anyways, 3/4 of your market are funds. And so Australia, what I've noticed about Australia is that they're, when it comes to crypto, I mean, and blockchain in general, but just crypto stuff though, like in terms of the investment stuff, investment vehicles, they're hitting the fun stuff first, right? Like here in America, we're doing the futures and then we have options. Those are the two: CME futures, CME options, backed futures, backed options, right? Those are our big dogs. Australia seems to be taking another route. They're going for the funds first. Oh, and that's what I should tell you. So futures and all that, that's this stuff. It adds nothing to the power of your market. Futures, options, swaps. Like, the reason so why are you getting so happy about it, Shomari? Why the fuck you always telling us to be happy about it? Well, because it does give us liquidity. Liquidity, so the SEC stops complaining about market manipulation. If there's so much money, well, then motherfuckers can't manipulate a market. So that's what that's good for. That's what all that stuff, those derivatives, where something derives its price from the underlying asset. You don't own that asset. You just make money off of it, right? So the CME futures, you do a futures contract, the contract expires. Yeah, they just pay you the cash. You don't get Bitcoin. Whereas the backed futures contracts, you actually take physical custody of Bitcoin, right? And so, which is good for price, right? When they take them out of the market, creating scarcity. And as you can see, it's not going so well. So fuck all that. But don't worry about that. The funds are where we're going to make our money. Yes, Fidelity. But that's in a little while. But look, so funds, that's what makes your market, right? That's you. Right now, your 401k, funds. And I'm going to tell you, when this comes to this crypto space, what's going to make this market the same thing as any other market? Funds. Once Fidelity comes and starts offering retirement funds and, oh my gosh, just 401ks, that's the killer one. That's the killer. Once Fidelity starts offering crypto 401ks or even 401ks, it might be a tech 401k, but with a crypto component. Oh yeah, it doesn't have to be full crypto. That's what I'm going to read to you about right now. These aren't full crypto funds. No. There's regular stocks, but also some Bitcoin. Oh, yes. Give them a little taste. A little taste. Look. When you've got the pure goods, when you've got that good shit, it sells itself. You just give a man a taste. Hey, have a little bump. Just a taste. Oh, yeah. Sells itself. And that's what's going on right here. That's what these funds are about. And that's what the way, and that's what I like about Australia. They're going for the fund action first. Yeah, build a crypto solid market. Yeah, let the cowboys in that play around, of course. But build some solid shit. Build it solid. Yeah, that's what's going to go down. Well, that's what's necessary. And that is what's going to go down, of course. But that's what we're waiting for, Fidelity. We're waiting for funds. Remember that, guys and girls. Guys and gals. Look. Remember that. What we really want to hear are funds being made. I'm going to tell you that. I mean, I've said it to you in a roundabout way, but now I'm going to say it explicitly to your face. Not to your face like it's all mean, but you know what I mean. Now I'm going to tell you the truth. All these investment vehicles we have, they're all great, and that brings institutional money. But what brings the solid money? Solid money are funds. Because remember this, not only do soccer mom and dad invest in funds, but institutions love them some funds. They love them some funds. And that's your market, and that's the power. That's what we need. That's the real. When we start, when you hear me, and you will fucking hear me around this motherfucker. When Fidelity starts offering funds, look. When Charles Schwab, JP Morgan, wait, hold on, settle down, Shomari. I'm getting a little crazy. But anyways, when fund managers, because they do make funds, but they'll offer different funds, mutual funds. You know what a mutual fund is. Anyone can invest in it. When those funds start coming out, that's when we're going to really know crypto has made it. All the sexy stuff, the futures, the swaps, the options. Oh, it's sexy. That's the world I live in, derivatives, right? I don't even own a yen. I've never owned a yen in my life, but I make a lot of money from them. Just made a whole bunch last night. But it doesn't add anything. But the funds, that's what's going to, remember, they buy and they hodl. Oh, yeah. Your 401k is hodled. Remember during the housing crash, your 401k? Yeah, did your 401k go bankrupt? No, they just hodled it. Right. They once they buy it, that asset, that's it. It's hodled forever. Strong hands. Weak hands, strong hands. Weak hands, strong hands. Remember that. Strong hands are the fun boys. And that's what we really want in this space, everybody. Once I start reading you stories about fund after fund after fund coming in, and it's going to, and they're going to, that's when the true meat of this market will be truly getting built. Right now, it's sexy, and we're just attracting institutions, attracting soccer mom and dad, just getting everyone having a little fun. Yeah, but once we get the funds, yes, those big old dinosaurs, Fidelity, big Godzillas coming in, creating funds. Oh, yeah. And don't worry, as soon as we're regulated, we are going to have fund after fund after fund. You'll see. ETFs are good. Exchange-traded funds. Right, but you go in and out of the market. The funds I'm talking about, you don't go in and out. You hodl. Well, the fund manager hodls, not you. Well, you too. If you're in the 401k, you're in it till you retire, right? So you're hodling too, in a roundabout way. All right, that's enough of that yap. Look. So let's check it out. Bitcoin continues to draw close to mainstream adoption after an effort to offer the cryptocurrency as an investment in Australia received regulatory approval. Raise A fintech startup that offers micro-investment opportunities to users has reportedly secured the regulatory green light from the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ASIC, the SEC of Australia, to provide its users with a new retail fund with exposure to Bitcoin. Retailers can get in on this. Per a report by the Australian Financial Review, the new Bitcoin fund by Raise, which is expected to go live within the first half of this year, marks a turnaround after the company had initially hesitated to offer any crypto-related products despite being in the fintech space. Raise reportedly has $445 million in assets under management from 211,000 paying clients, with customer accounts on the platform topping 300,000 as of December 2019. The startup's app has accumulated over 1 million downloads, with a business model that helps clients to invest. Holy, am I just doing a commercial for this company? What is going on here? Micro purchases and ideal options for retail customers. All right. So notably, in the new Bitcoin fund by Riaz will give users a chance to allocate up to 5% of their investment portfolio on the platform to Bitcoin. So, hold on. While a more substantial chunk, 95%, would go to exchange traded funds. So, it's not what it is, it's not a full Bitcoin fund. It's not Bitcoin fund. It's a it's a basket of assets in a fund, and one of the assets in that fund is Bitcoin. And so that's amazing because, well, it's being added to a real fund for now, finally, right? At least in Australia, right? Which is good. Is there a growing appetite for Bitcoin in Australia? While 5% allocation may not seem outrageous, especially from the perspective of Bitcoin proponents, the latest move by Raise is applaudable. Seems it arguably marks the first such in Australia and could open the way for more fund managers to launch such funds. For such products. Right? You might launch 50% Bitcoin with traditional assets. You might put some Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin in with some traditional, you know what I mean? That's how funds are, right? You can put whatever asset in them you want. That's the beauty of a fund, right? And so, but what's beautiful is that why I'm reading this story and what's so great about it is, yeah, Australia is allowing Bitcoin to go into a traditional fund, right? It said right here, these are for regular people. Like, this isn't something special like, only for accredited investors, only for hedge funds. Where is it? Right? It said regular people can use it. Where was that? Anyways. I guess it was this part. Helps clients. Oh, here it is. Which is an ideal option for retail customers. So soccer mom and dad can get in. Right? Like, soccer mom and dad, you shouldn't feel scared about investing in a Bitcoin fund. But if they are, all right, well, they've got regular stocks in it too. So, So it'd be like, here in America, would be something like, say, a fund with Microsoft, Uber, Facebook, and Bitcoin in it. You know what I mean? Maybe you don't want to go full Bitcoin. Yes, you want a little bit of the traditional stuff. But you do want a little exposure because Bitcoin is tasty. It does move quite a bit. Yeah, that's how I do it. Look, I wouldn't even fuck around. I'd just get a full Bitcoin fund. But look. That's how it goes, Australia. Welcome to the crypto world, in the fund world. And that's what we really need, guys. I'm telling you right now, that's the truth. That's the truth. All this sexy stuff we're watching, all the infrastructure we're watching be built, it is amazing. But it really just brings liquidity. It really brings liquidity only. Until things are bought and hodled, which is what funds do, you have to have the assets. Your fund, you offer the fund because you have those assets. Yeah, I own a whole bunch of Bitcoin, invest in this. fund of Bitcoins, right? You have to hodl them. And so that's what is the real thing that we're really waiting for. Like, yeah. And that's what makes the ETF so special. That's what makes it so special. It's a fucking fund. Yeah, well, they got to buy the shit in it. Well, fuck, once one ETF comes, there's going to be thousands. Well, thousands of guys, ETFs have to buy thousands worth of shit to put in their funds, taking them off the market. But that's what is so special about an ETF. And as soon as an ETF is available, like I told you, soccer mom and dad, it's not something special. An ETF is not something exotic. It's not like asking soccer mom and dad, would you like to invest in the strangle in an options market? I'm sure most of you don't even know what I just asked you. Right? You're not going to do that. You don't even know what I mean. But if I say to you, hey, bang, I got a Bitcoin ETF. Oh, you fucking know. Or even I got an ETF with, like I said, Microsoft, Facebook, and Uber, but some Bitcoin. Yeah. All right, so let's move on. I'm going to try to make these shows a little faster. It's been an hour and a half these past couple nights. Been yapping a little too much. All right, look. Uzbekistan prepares crypto tax exemptions, launches licensed exchange. So we read about Uzbekistan yesterday. Cardano, right? Pretty much runs the country, it seems like. Look. So here's what Uzbekistan is doing. So Cardano hodlers, here's what the country of Uzbekistan, who just sort of onboarded Cardano. Well, I should say it the other way. Cardano just onboarded them. Yeah, of course. Well, here's a little something about Uzbekistan. A little something extra that they did today. The Central Asian Republic of Uzbekistan legalized cryptocurrency trading and introduced licensing. And that's what I was thinking about. I think Uzbekistan might have to get on the champion nation list, guys. I'm thinking about it. Yuck. Look, Uzbekistan. Hold on, let's read and then let's see. Let's not jump the gun yet. Cryptocurrency trading and introducing licensing. They're licensing the crypto, and they just legalized crypto trading. Yeah, they're probably going to have to go on here. Hold on. With a decree signed by the President Shavkat Mirziyoyev in the fall of 2018, an earlier decree issued by the head of state in the summer of that year laid the legal grounds for other related activities in order to develop the country's digital economy. Uzbekistan now prepares to exempt income obtained in cryptocurrency operations from taxation. Oh, they're exempting the income? Oh, they probably are going to have to go on here. Hold on. In other words, tax-free gains. So if you make capital gains on your crypto, no problem. Tax-free. A draft decree containing provisions to that effect have been published last week. Oh, it's only a draft, so it's not law yet, for public discussion. Furthermore, President Decree ID 12538 on the measure for further development of the circulation of the crypto assets in the Republic of Uzbekistan excludes crypto transactions from the scope of the nation's foreign currency regulations. Daggone, these guys, they're definitely going on. Hold on, they're going on here tonight. Operation of legal entities and individuals related to the circulation of crypto assets, including those carried out by non-residents, are not objects of taxation. Bye! All right, that's how they're going down. And income received from these operations is not included in the tax base for taxes and other obligatory payments. Oh, yeah. Tax-free, baby. Crypto away. Holy. And then this is just a bunch of bullshit right here. This is what we read the other day, right? So the blah, blah, the mining pool and all that, blah, blah, blah. We don't need to read that. And then this is the launch. This was that, remember the Kobea group? Wait. We read about it yesterday in that story. Wait, where is everybody? What's going on here? Here it is. Kobea group. Right? And so they launched the exchange on Monday during an opening ceremony in Tashkent. So a real exchange. This is like a NASDAQ of crypto. It's not like exchange, like Bitfinex, BitMEX, Coinbase, some shit like this. It's an exchange, like a real one, a country one. So its launch was announced on Monday, January 20th, during an opening ceremony. We read about it a little bit, but I wanted to read a little more. Hosted by an international blockchain conference. The event gathered representatives of cryptocurrencies, of crypto companies from South Korea, Japan, and Singapore, as well as officials from Uzbekistan's ministries and government agencies. So the government is obviously in on it. They're helping. It's a government. Well, it's like a NASDAQ here, or the New York Stock Exchange, right? The New York Stock Exchange is a private company, but it's got the backing of America. You know what I mean? Do we need more of this? All right, here we go. The platform is now online. So here's where they started. The platform is now online and offers several trading pairs against Bitcoin Core and stablecoins. Oh, we read about this yesterday. Oh, and I made a mistake yesterday. It offers 7 things, actually, not just those 2 that I highlighted. According to the announcement quoted by local media, Uznex should support several fiat options such as Uzbekistan's national dollar, the Som, US dollar, and credit cards. However, the fiat payment and withdrawal methods are not currently available on the Uznex website, which is still in beta. All right. The exchange will also serve global users in the future who want to invest in digital financial assets, make international transfers, or need access to credit. All right, so they're access to credit. Oh, they're going into DeFi. Well, maybe not DeFi, but at least loaning money. The Korean operator intends to play an active role in Uzbekistan's socio-economic life. Its plans include the establishment of blockchain departments in the country's leading universities. Bang! So there you go. Uzbekistan. All right, let's go, guys. Bang, bang, Uzbekistan. Let's go. Let's go like this. Hold on. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do it? We'll go like this. Uzbekistan. Hold on. Where is it? Bang. Oh, yeah. Uzbekistan's going to get in. Uzbekistan. Wait. Here we go. Uzbekistan. Yes. Welcome to the coveted, glorious list of crypto news champion nations. Let's put them on the list officially, brothers and sisters. Bang, let's put them on the list. Hold on, let's even look at their city capital right here. The glorious capital of Uzbekistan. Let's do it. Look, Uzbekistan. Welcome. Uzbekistan. Bye, there you go, Uzbekistan. Welcome to the glorious list. Bang. Look at you right there. Oh, yeah, Uzbekistan. Where are you? Right there. Whoops, there you are. There you are, Uzbekistan. Welcome to the glorious list of the cryptocurrency blockchain news champion list of nations. Bye. Yes. They deserve it. You know what I mean? They deserve it, guys. They deserve it. After that, shit. They deserve that. That's a good one right there. So there you go, Uzbekistan. Welcome to the glorious champion nation list. It's been a while since I've added anyone. It's been a while. I've been worrying about what's going on in the world. What's going on with you fucksticks? You guys doing something or what? All right, Uzbekistan. Yes. Look. All right, well, let's move on. Bye. Look, what do we got? Burks Big Air Drops. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. What I got? Hurricane Master. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yeah. What we got? Papa Doc. See you, brother. Bye. Look. Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Oh, what's Beneem talking about? Oh, yeah. Beneem's always talking about something. What's he talking about today, Beneem? Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Beneem said, look. See Beneem. All right. What you got, Beneem? Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust now requires to file reports with the SEC. Is public trading next? That's what I was just saying. Is that what they're asking? Is that what it is? That's what I thought it is. That's what it is. Are they going to IPO themselves? Right. That's probably the big deal because now they get to IPO themselves. because they're doing the quarterly thing. I was wondering, what is the big deal? It's one daggone little trust. It's not even like a full ETF. All right, BDM, thank you. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it's about. Now they can IPO themselves. Is public trading next? Right? Because they're allowed. What do you mean? But they're allowed. All right, so I think that's what that means. All right. Look, BDM. Great. Thank you, brother. Bye. All right, what the fuck are all these fuck sticks? That's what I hate about all this shit. Retweeted your tweet. All right, there we go. Marciniak Crypto Machiavelli. Bye. See you. Look, Robbie Hardaway. I love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Look, son of a bitch. Look, bye. Look, bye. Look, bye. Ron Kaz. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Arj. Yeah, there you are. I love your little green thing, man. You've been away a while. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Poppy Wood. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Whoop. What's going on here? Bye. What do we got? Oh, here we go. All the suspects right here in one nice net. Look, Sloppy. Simon, I think his name is. Bye. Samurai Boss, love you with a see you, brother. Bye. Rodster, love you with a see you, brother. Our brother from Prague. Bye. Oh, yeah, we're international. Told you about that. Yes, we have the sleeper cells worldwide. Look, Stallion. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Yes. Whoop. Yes. Gotta be courteous. Look, brother. D. Lewis L. See you, brother. Bye. Edward Ditko and the Ditko family, the Ditko clan. Look, crypto together. Bye. Whoops. Where are we going here? Bang. All right, there we go. That's everybody. All right, BDM's got one more. Let's talk about. Let's see what BDM's talking about. BDM. So he's talking some good shit. What's he saying? Look, CB News. Chinese financial powerhouse launches national blockchain service with nearly 1,500 patents. Sheesh. Holy what? A Chinese financial powerhouse. Holy 1,500 patents for one company? Oh my gosh. Look. What's it called? Union Pay? So look down here. Hold on, let me move it up so you guys can see. Shanghai-based Union Pay, a major bank card services provider in China that operates under the approval of the country's central bank, is rolling out, and I'm assuming what they mean by rolling out is 1,500 patents worth? Look. Holy, look, Union Pay. Bang. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Let's make it a quick one, man. We've been doing these hour and a half ones lately, man. Like, yeesh. I mean, I don't mind yapping, but yeah, I don't want to keep you guys waiting all night and fucking all this shit. Wow, it's not waiting all night. You learn stuff, but you know what I mean. So look. See what we had today. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the first SEC-approved reporting agency. So, like I said, I'm assuming the crypto world think this is such a big deal because if you're reporting, then you also, I guess, get to IPO. I mean, that's the only thing I think of. Like everybody has to report to the SEC. So, in a sense, but I guess, I don't know, man, guys. I don't know about that one. But it's a big deal. It was in every fucking website today. And so there you go. You got it. Bitcoin. What's this? Oh, the retail fund approved in Australia. It's all about the funds, baby. Told you. That's your market. That's your market. The funds. This is the sexy stuff. But that's what makes the meat. That's the meat of the market right there. You know what I mean? And so that's what we need. Lots and lots of funds. And that's the truth. Those are the things you really, when Fidelity comes out with their first 401k or their first retirement fund, oh, you're going to hear look, bang like you've never heard before. Olay, like you've never heard before. And so, but that's also what makes the ETF so important is that it's a fund, right? And but they're also tradable, and that's what makes them good in that they hold the asset, but also people get into them so much because, well, you have the option of it going up and down, right? Not option. I mean, you have the chance of it going up and down on you. So you buy the ETF and it goes up. Well, you know, those are, it's different than, say, a mutual fund, which also goes up and down, but no one's trading it. They just buy the Microsoft shares, and then, well, if Microsoft goes up, all right, the mutual fund is up. If it goes down, the mutual fund's down. But with an ETF, sorry. So, all right, holy crap. So an ETF is like a mutual fund, except, yeah, you get to trade in and out of them. So there's many of them, right? And so, all right, fuck all that, man. I'm not gonna get into ETFs tonight. I want to make this a quick show. So we'll get into ETFs and the power of them and why everyone likes them. Like I said, soccer mom and dad trade in and out. All right, let me just do it real quick. So it's like an ETF. Say an ETF has Microsoft, Facebook, and Boeing. All right. Well, Boeing might bring that ETF down because maybe Boeing is taking a shit. It sucks right now. But now there's another ETF with Microsoft, Facebook, and say, well, let's use our thing, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin's flying. So it brings the ETF up. And that's what the beauty of an ETF is. You can get in and out of them fast, right? Like trading a stock, right? Like if I go into a mutual fund, well, your money is locked in for like a year or 6 months, whatever the length is. You're not allowed to take the money out before that time, right? Or else you get penalized. Whereas an ETF, it's like a stock. You trade in and out of that motherfucker like a stock. Yeah, like a stock. Like you get in today, you can get out tomorrow. And there's no penalty. That's why it's an exchange traded fund. Yeah, if you get into a regular fund, like you're I don't know how they work. I haven't worked for a long time, but your 401k. If you want to cash out too quick, you probably have to pay a penalty, don't you? Right? Or an IRA, individual retirement account. If you get out too fast before like some sort of arbitrary date they make you keep your money in there for, you have to pay some sort of penalty. ETF, you don't pay a penalty. You go in and out as you want. All right. Holy crap. All right. So look. Why am I even telling you that? But anyways, we want funds here in the space. There you go. You just learned a little lesson about ETFs. The difference between an ETF and like a mutual fund. The difference between an ETF and an IRA fund. Yeah, IRAs, mutual funds, 401ks, you're locked in for a while. ETFs, in and out like stocks. That's what makes them beautiful. All right. Fucking, there we go. Fuck. All right, and then finally, Uzbekistan tax exemption and licensed crypto exchange. Bang, bang. So Uzbekistan has gone full crypto. Look, Uzbekistan. Look. Wait a minute, Uzbekistan. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Bang. Uzbekistan. Bang. That's my new special effect, flipping the channel, flipping the cameras. There you are, Uzbekistan. Bang. Officially on the cryptocurrency blockchain news, Nation of Champions. Welcome to the club, sir. Welcome to the club, folks. It's been a hard-fought fight, and it's been a glorious battle. You finally won. So, you can rest assured you're in good hands now. All right. Whatever that meant. Look, all right. And so that's Uzbekistan. So, fuck it. Let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. I love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So look, subscribe below. Subscribe below. Watch that video right there, and I'll see you tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Bang! Yes. Over and out.